In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer sign-up forms on your GoDaddy business site. We'll go through the full process together in a simple, clear way so you can set up a sign-up form for your customers without confusion. This is a useful feature if you want to collect customer information directly from your website, whether that's for registrations, updates, or general contact details. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and make sure you're signed in. Starting from your account dashboard is important because that's where you'll be able to access the tools connected to your website and manage customer-facing features. Once you're inside your account, click on your profile. This will open the account menu where you can find the main options related to your products and services. From there, select My Products. This section shows all the products connected to your account, including your websites. Now find the specific website where you want to create the customer sign-up form and click on it. Make sure you choose the correct website if you manage more than one, since the form will be added to that particular site. After opening the website settings, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Customers. This area is where GoDaddy groups tools related to managing customer information and interactions. Once you're in that section, click on Sign Up Forms. Here, you'll see the option to add a new form. Click Add a Sign Up Form. This will open the Form Builder, where you can begin customizing the form to fit your needs. Take your time here, because this is the part where you can make the form useful and easy for your visitors to complete. You can now customize your form by entering the fields you want to collect, such as a name, email, and any other necessary details. Keep the form focused on the information you actually need. In general, simpler forms are easier for customers to fill out, which can help improve sign-ups. As you customize the form, review the layout and make sure everything is clear and easy to understand. It's a good idea to double-check the field names, so visitors know exactly what information to enter. Once you're done, click Save. That will store your sign-up form and apply your changes to the website settings. And that's it. You've successfully created a customer sign-up form on your GoDaddy business site. After saving, you may want to preview the form on your website to make sure it looks the way you expect and works smoothly for visitors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.